It's 2026. If you are still A/B testing your ad creatives, you're not marketing. You're gambling with your budget. The days of begging designers for new assets are over. AdCreative uses advanced generative models to whip up hundreds of on-brand, high-conversion static and video ads in under 5 minutes. But this is the game changer. In the US market, you can't afford guesswork. Their creative scoring AI predicts with over 90% accuracy which ad is going to print money and which is a dud, before you spend a single dollar on Meta or Google. Solopreneurs, e-com owners, and agencies are using this tool to scale their ROAS without scaling their team. They solve the biggest bottleneck in marketing: creative volume. Stop losing to the competition. Grab the 7-day free trial and 10 free creative credits using the link in my description. Try it for free at the link below.